Hey guys, LegalLockPIcker here, and welcome to today's episode. We are going to take a look at this Bauer padlock, and it's pretty cool. It's got wafers inside of it. It has this little rubber guard here so it doesn't bump into things. It's got a picture of the little Bauer key on it with the BP for Bauer products. Right on the back here you can see unlock, turn to the right, and then of course there. Again, this is the key for the wafers. It's pretty basic. Wafer locks are made nowadays for more low security items and things like that, so you're not going to find these at Fort Dix or anything like that. So let's take a quick look inside. I'm not sure if you can see this, but if you look towards the unlock arrow, you can see those little gold brass colored things. Those are the wafers inside. And it's a one-sided wafer lock, which means there's nothing at the bottom. So what we are going to do is just take a rake. Now when I say one-sided wafers, I mean something like this right here, which we would find on doorknobs, privacy latches and things like that, privacy doorknobs and things like that that you don't want opened, and you can add a key to. This is a double-sided wafer lock, which means there are wafers on both sides, so you have to pick both sides in order to get it open. This one is not going to be as difficult, I surmise. Okay, so that was pretty quick. So again, these are not typically for high security items, as you can see why. I'm just going to try one more time, and we got an open. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. I'm going to leave a link to a video that LockNoob made last year about wafer locks. He goes into depth about how to put one into a lock from alloy and things like that, and it's really interesting and it's very educational. So I'm going to put that in the link in the description below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.